A very warm welcome to all my lovely students in this online session. Dear students, as you all know that this week we are observing an activity week. Means from 8th to 13th February we will have different activities according to our subject. So with the help of these activities you will learn something more in a interesting way. So let's start our activity. Our today's activity is paper cup phone. How the phones work. So for this activity we need material. We need 2 paper cups, 1 pencil and a string. So for making our own paper cup phone, first of all what do we use? We will use the tip of the pencil and we will make a hole, a small hole we will make as I am showing you. Okay, and then we will take a small string like this, and then with the help of the pencil tip we will put it inside. And then here we will tie a knot so that the string will not come out. Now we will make another hole into the another cup, and we will put the other part of the thread inside it, and the same procedure we will follow. Means we will tie a knot like this. Here we had 2 cups and we have tied a small string inside this. We will make a knot so that the thread will not come out. So let's move to the next step. Now what we will do? We will do a practical with this. Means with the help of this activity I will tell you how phones work. Means if one person that is another place and the other person is at other place, if they are talking with the help of the phone, so how they are able to hear each other. So now here I have 2 cups, 2 paper cups. I have tied these 2 cups with a string. Now what I will do, in this cup I will try to speak, and with the help of this cup I can hear the sound easily. Why? We will see what I am doing. I am trying to speak. Hello, 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 hi, how are you? So with the help of this activity, actually what I want to tell you or what I want to show you, the sound can travel easily in solid, liquid and gases. What is solid? Like this. Solid, liquid like oil, water, and gas like steam. So sound can travel in all 3 phases, solid, liquid and gases. But as you can see, these 2 cups are solid. So sound can travel easily in solid. Okay, why? Because through this the wire, the sound is not moving here and there. So whatever I am trying to speak, I can easily hear the thing or the sentences that I am trying to say. Why it happens? Why it happens? When we speak using this cup, the sound travels through the string. This is the string. If I am talking, if I am speaking in the cup, so the sound that travels into the string, and after this it passes through the string and it reaches to the this string here. It reaches here and this part is near the ear. So after this, as the sound travels from the string, so it comes to the this part and then it enters into our ear, so that we can easily hear whatever we had said or whatever we are speaking into this cup. So in the same way phones also work. In the olden times when we had landline phones, the one person was speaking and the other person was hearing. It was both the phones are connected with the wire. So with the help of the wire, the sound travel through the string or through the wire, and then what will happen, then it can goes to the other person so that he or she can hear easily. So it was a very interesting activity. I request you all, please try this at home. Here I have used this thermocol cups. You can use another cups, plastic cups, and here I have used this wool. So instead of this wool you can use a string, or I have taken only this meter. I have taken half meter of string. You can take 1 meter, 5 meter. So then you will observe that what will happen. Okay, I hope my dear students you will like this interesting activity. Please try to do it at home. All the material are available at your home. You can take wool, you can take thread, or you can take any wire, so that you can use this. Paper cups are also available at your home. So please, I request you all, try to do this activity with your parents, with your friends, with your relatives, so that you will be able to know that how does a phone work. Okay. Thank you my dear students. Have a nice day and bye bye.